Hello Physio, welcome to Kranti Physio. So today condition is hydrothorax. Hydrothorax is the accumulations of series of non-inflammatory fluid in the pleural cavity जो कि oncotic pressure and hydrostatic pressure का alteration का वजह से जो transudative pleural effusion में basically होता है. Then physio, let's see what are the cause for the hydrothorax, means the etiology. Let's see. First is increase the hydrostatic pressures. The second cause is decrease oncotic pressures. The third cause may be lymphatic obstructions. Actually physio, lymphatic obstruction usually common in chylothorax, but some rarely mixed presentation may be resemble with hydrothorax. So don't be confused about that. Then the fourth cause is increased capillary permeability. In physio, let's see the clinical features of hydrothorax. But listen, actually before we identify the clinical features, first we have to know how much amount of accumulation of fluid in the pleural cavity and the cause behind it. Then we can able to identify the clinical. So then the symptoms may be dyspnea, orthopnea. हम कुछ एग्जामिनेशन में भी क्लिनिकल फीचर्स पा सकते हैं, जैसे कि हमारा पेडल इडिमा कॉन्जेस्टिव कार्डियक फेल्यूर में होता है, जनरलाइज इडिमा नेफ्रोटिक सिंड्रोम में होता है, देन असाइटिस सीरोसिस में होता है. इन एग्जामिनेशन we are going to examine the respiratory systems. Then first is inspection, then palpation, then percussion, then auscultations. In inspections, reduced movement of the affected site. Then in palpation, decreased chest expansion. And in percussions, stony dullness over the fluid filled area. In auscultation, diminished or absent breath sound. Then physio, let's see the diagnosis for hydrothorax. First, we can diagnose hydrothorax by its own symptoms and signs. Then we go for imaging study. Then what are the symptoms and signs? The symptoms may be shortness of breath. Physio, we can also go for laboratory correlations to know whether the cause may be related with cardiac, renal, or hepatic cause. Then physio, let's come to our topic, which is physiotherapeutic management. Then physio, that's all about hydrothorax. But if you have any extra information about hydrothorax, then you can also share with me. And also, if you have any question or doubt about hydrothorax, you can also ask me in my comment section. Then physio, wait for RLD, because the next video is RLD, restrictive lungs disease.